This is one of thousands of HIV support groups across the country. Here, people affected and infected with HIV laugh, cry, and educate each other. The aim is to reduce HIV infections in the country and encourage those infected with the virus to take their treatment. Nonzaliseko Ntwana has been living with the virus for more than 12 years. She says it was difficult to accept her status, but through a support group, she started taking her treatment and living a positive life. She now shares her knowledge to help others.
We help
one another with information. I disclosed my status, when I tested and why. Unfortunately, I never had access to the single pill treatment.
This LGBTI group also says it faces challenges relating to reinfection.
We are exposed in some areas where we get STIs. So when we visit our clinics, we don't get the treatment as other people because they say you must come with your partner. Then if I bring you a Zim, in fact, if they say I must bring my partner, they assume that I must bring a man, of which I'm not dating men, I'm dating girls. So if you come with a lady, they discriminate you and they do some hate speech. So we end up not going to the facilities. In our facilities, we don't have the dental dams, the lubricants, and the finger condoms. So we have to buy them, of which we're not all working. So we are suffering a lot. We don't know how are we going to reach the 90-90 strategy.
Children living with HIV is another challenge. There are no visible support groups for them.
The ARVs should be told by their parents from their homes so that they should be aware that they are using these ARVs and they should be able to accept their status. We as UTAC also need the assistance from e-health facilities, from other organizations, so that we can conquer this HIV and AIDS.
UNAIDS has ambitions that by 2020, 90% of people living with HIV will know their HIV status, and those people diagnosed will receive sustainable antiretroviral treatment. Health NGOs say this will only be reached if they push towards working together, both in private and government sectors. Zimkhita Manqinana, SABC News, Eastern Cape.